Meaning of halfback.
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 Halfback. In American football, a halfback is a player who lines up in the offensive backfield and is primarily responsible for carrying the ball on running plays. A halfback typically stands behind the quarterback and may also be used as a receiver or blocker. The position of halfback is considered one of the most important on the field, as they are often the primary ball carrier and playmaker for their team. Successful halfbacks are known for their speed, agility, and ability to make quick decisions on the field.